Hello, welcome to Maths class. Let us have chapter sets in that operations of sets. What are these? Let us learn what are union of sets. Union of sets, okay? The union of two sets A and B is the set of all those elements which are present either in A or in B or in both. When I explain you like this, you may or may not be able to understand. Let me explain you by giving an example. Suppose set A is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set B is having 2, 4, 6, 8. Then A union B means A, U, B. U like cup like. A union B means the elements which are present either in A or in B or in both. That means all these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 4 already written. 6, 8. That means the element which are present in both the sets will be union of two sets. Okay. Then what is intersection of sets? Let me explain you what is intersection of sets. With this example only I will explain you, okay? The intersection of two sets A and B is the set of all those elements which are present in both A and B, okay? Intersection of sets. The intersection of two sets A and B is the set of all those elements which are present both in A and B. That means which are present in both the sets, they are the intersection of the sets. So A union B we got all the elements, but A intersection means only the elements which are common in both. Intersection we have to write like this, inverted cup, that is like a cap. The elements 2 and 4 are present in both the sets. So in both the sets A and B. So the intersection of two sets A and B is the elements which are common to both. I wrote which are present both A and B. Okay. Now let me explain you what is complement of a set. What is complement of a set? Okay. The complement of a set of a set is the set of all those elements which are present in the universal set but not in the set. If that is set A, set B, set B. Suppose universal set is having 1 to 10 set A is having 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, then complement of set A means, complement of set A we can write as A dash, the A inverted comma is the elements which are present in the universal but not here. Here in the universal set 1 to 10 are there. In set A all the odd numbers are there. So we can have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These elements are not in A but they are in the universal set. Okay. Now let me explain you what is difference of two sets. The difference of two sets A and B is the set of all those elements which are present in A but not in B. Difference of two sets or difference of sets. Okay. The difference of two sets A and B is the set of all those elements which are present in A but not in B. But not in B. Let me explain you by giving an example. Okay? Suppose set P is having 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Q is having 10, 30, 50, 70, 90. Okay. P minus Q, difference of two sets P and Q is P minus Q. Or we can say Q minus P also. If it is P minus Q, the set of all those elements which are present in A. Here let me write as two sets. Let me name is at PQ. Okay. Every time we are writing AB, let me name it as PQ. Present in P but not in Q. But not in Q. If it is P minus Q, elements which are present in P, 10 is present in both. 20 is present in P but not in Q. 30 is present here. 40 is present in P but not in Q. 50 is present in both. So P minus Q is 20, 40. Because 20 and 40 are present in P but not in Q. If it is Q minus P, elements which are present in Q but not in P. Okay. So 10 is present both. 30 is present in both, 50 is present in both, 70 and 90 are present in Q and not in P. So that is what is your, how to find the difference of two sets. Okay? Thank you.